Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Concepts of Commerce, your virtual learning platform for all the concepts relating to commerce stream. My name is Deepshika Gandhi, and as we discussed in the previous video, which was on supply chain management, that we will be discussing ERP, that is Enterprise Resource Planning. So in this video, we are going to discuss what is Enterprise Resource Planning, areas जहां पर आप ERP को apply कर सकते हैं. Now first of all, let us discuss ERP क्या होता है. बहुत बार आपने ERP का नाम सुना होगा एंड मे बी आप उसे यूज भी करते हैं, बट व्हाट इज द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ ERP? इट स्टैंड्स फॉर एंटरप्राइज रिसोर्स प्लानिंग. दैट मीन्स ERP is a software that is utilized by the organization or enterprise to plan about the resources. That is why it has been named as enterprise resource planning, because enterprises use this software to plan about the resources in the organization. So abhi tak ye clear hai that it is a type of software and you know why it has the name as enterprise resource planning. अब बात करते हैं किस तरह से कंपनीज या एंटरप्राइजेस इसे यूज करती हैं. Enterprises use it to manage or to plan their day-to-day operations, day-to-day activities, चाहे वो किसी भी एरिया की हो, मे बी finance, human resources, planning, project management, etc. So ERP can be applied to a number of areas in any organization. So ERP क्या करता है? ERP collects information from all the departments and presents it and makes it available at one place. ERP binds, or we can say integrates, a number of departments in the organization. Let's say the enterprise is having 10 different departments. So ERP, that will be one for the whole organization, will collect information from all the departments. So उससे क्या होगा? जिसको जब भी information चाहिए, it is available at one platform. So we can simply say ERP binds, brings together or integrates number of business processes, allows flow of data between them. Basically, it collects information from multiple sources and hence it eliminates data duplication. अगर आप ERP यूज करते हैं, you will have all the information at one proper place. And जिस तरह से अभी से business की complexity and size बढ़ता जा रहा है, we can clearly say ERP is indispensable for business organizations. Now coming to the areas or processes or departments where ERP can be applied. So ERP can be applied to different processes or departments in an organization like accounts, manufacturing, stock, purchases, plant maintenance, human resources, services, etc.